guys, girl Nikki, I'm back with another banger. I'm here with
Matt.
And what are we going to be doing?
Rating Sema trucks.
Sema trucks. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified of our videos every single day.
So they're on my phone now.
Here's the first picture.
But you'll be able to see them. We'll put them in the
I'm going to put
video.
them up so you guys can see them.
Alright, this truck is nice.
I do not like the grill.
I do not like the bed of the truck. Everything else I like. But overall, I would drive it if it came down to it.
I like this truck a
Yeah,
lot.
this one is probably one of my
The only thing I don't like is
favorite
that
trucks.
the
black on the front end.
yeah, the black. Hey, what are you doing?
You'll have that. This truck's just pure out stupid.
I don't understand when people do low riders for
French.
trucks. Might as well just get a car because
Yeah. That's
why
stupid.
would you just like you putting so much money just to get a low ride? Then might as well you just buy a car. So and diamond up.
Go.
Huh. And up.
This one's sweet. I like this one a lot.
I do not like the tires. But I do like the
Because
wheels.
she's not American.
Yes, I am. But I don't like the tires because I have no idea. They're like too big. Like
No, they're not. They're perfect. Actually, I think they need a size bigger. Next one is another one of my favorite ones on the list. It has the tracks. I think trucks look sick with the tracks.
I don't think so, but
And it has a snowmobile on the back.
so how about that? When you want to go riding, you gotta bring a friend with you. One of you can be. Sorry, one of you guys can be on the truck, and one of you guys can be on the car.
Yeah. The next one here
I'm on a snowmobile.
on the list is a Jeep.
Oh, I like this Jeep. I like the rims.
Yes, I like everything
The
about
other
it.
half of the rims have blue. That is pretty cool.
They can see in the picture, hon.
I'm telling them that it looks pretty cool. You know what I'm saying?
Girls,
You know what I'm
stop finding
Girls!
a Volkswagen.
Alright, this is a street out weird.
thing.
Stop it! Stop!
This
Stop.
is the moment
Stop.
I say,
Princess,
what are people thinking?
what do people think when you guys make vehicles? Come on. Come on, be real.
It's like a Volkswagen and a bus.
It's
stupid.
so weird, like, oh my god, I
Yeah,
don't
it's
even
stupid.
see.
The next one, I like. Sorry.
He's
Yeah,
tired,
you know.
as you can tell. What does he do for a living? Nothing's on his ass.
I need a nap. I like
No,
this truck
stop.
overall.
Stop.
Let Princess go. She's being a good dog. What do you think about this one? You got
Yeah, guys, you just saw him push me.
I went like that.
Oh yeah, whatever. Then, okay, I like the rims. Hey, I'm still looking.
It took too long. I
It's-
got SEMA
it's-
trucks
it's
to
a-
look at.
What?
I got SEMA trucks to look at. Come on.
But I do like it. It's pretty nice.
Hey,
Girl! Diamond!
shut up.
Come here! Knucklehead!
Put your butt crack away.
I gotta make sure everybody can see it. Princess, no.
This one's gay. It's a low rider.
It's low rider. I do like the wrap on it. I don't like the front rims. That looks
You
pretty
got
funny.
slobber all over your
But
head.
other than that, it's a nice otherwise.
What do you think, Dime?
She's like,
No,
ugh,
Diamond
that's
don't
a
like it.
freaking low rider. Come on.
This is my favorite truck on the list for sure. It's lime green, big. This is what my future truck's gonna look like.
Yeah, he wants a lime. Hey, come on. Yeah, he wants a lime green.
I already
like
said
this.
that. I just. Hey, that's my bone. Try and get the bone.
But I do like it.
This is the rustic old truck. Knucklehead, your table. I like this truck.
Diamond!
No, this little punk is going to get beat up. Yeah, I like this truck. What do you think? You gotta put your 2 cents in.
I don't like the
day.
old rustic because it looks pretty funny. Not
Just
a big
like
fan
you.
of- Stop!
Alright, stop being annoying. The next one is a
Turn me away!
It's white.
That's white. That's silver.
That's white.
Silver.
That's white.
Comment down below what you guys think. Is it or silver? This one is another Volkswagen on the tracks. So
So it's a little better than that, you know.
it's kind of a little better.
Oh,
It's not
don't
the
mind
best.
this. We got some dog fight.
I don't like
This
this.
is sick.
Nope, don't like it. Nope.
Oh, I like it. It's yellow, big rims and tires.
He likes the bright colors.
This one, I think the truck's stupid, but overall the theme of the truck and
Go!
trailer is pretty cool. I like it.
I don't like it. It's a low rider.
Yep.
Gotta jack it up. Jack it up, ladies! Come on, babe. Why the hell do we have a Cadillac?
Because we're gay.
But we are thinking about getting a truck. Comment down below what you
Sema
guys think.
2020.
What?
Sema 2020.
Sema 2020.
But, alright guys, we're gonna get out of here and I'm gonna go take a nap.
Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, like we always say.
We'll
be back
with
with more videos.
videos.
Peace!